1. Chapter -6. Refraction of light. 1. Introduction. Reflection of light. Reflection is the phenomenon where light rays bounce back after striking a smooth and shiny surface like a mirror. Laws of reflection. The incident ray, the reflected ray, and the normal. The perpendicular line at the point of incidence. All lie in the same plane. The angle of incidence, angle I, is equal to the angle of reflection, angle R. Though, refraction of light. Definition. Light changes its direction when going from one transparent medium to another transparent medium. This is called the refraction of light. Meaning, refraction of light is the phenomenon where light bends when it passes from one transparent medium to another. This bending occurs due to the change in the speed of light in different media. Explanation. When an incident ray of light traveling in a vacuum falls on the surface of glass slab, it can be refracted as follows. Fig. 6.1 Refraction of light through glass slab. Refraction in daily life. 1. A pencil appears bent in water. A straw looks broken at the surface of a glass of water. Mirage formation in deserts. 3. Laws of refraction. Fig. 6.2 Light ray entering a glass slab from outer. First law, the incident ray, refracted ray, and the normal to the interface of two nadir all lie in the same plane. Second law, Snell's law, the ratio of the sine of the angle of incidence, sin I, to the sine of the angle of refraction, sin R, is a constant for a given pair of media. Sin R constant. This constant is called the refractive index, U, of the second medium with respect to the first. Char. Refractive index. The change in the direction of light ray while entering different media is different, and this change is related to refractive index of the medium. Refractive index depends on the velocity of light in the medium. Definition. Refractive index is defined as the ratio of the speed of light in a vacuum or air to the speed of light in a given medium. N equals c by v. Explanation. Let the velocity of light in medium 1 be v, and in medium 2 be v, as shown in figure. The refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium, 1n, is equal to the ratio of the velocity of light in medium 1 to that in medium 2. Refractive index 1 and 2 equals velocity of light in medium 1 v by velocity of light in medium 2 v2. Similarly, the refractive index of medium 1 with respect to medium 2 is dou n1 equals v2 by v1. If the first medium is vacuum, then the refractive index of medium 2 is called absolute refractive index, and it is written as n. Fig. 6.3 Light ray going from medium 1 to medium 2. Key points. The refractive index tells us how much light bends when it enters a new medium. If the refractive index is higher, light slows down more and bends towards the normal. If the refractive index is lower, light speeds up and bends away from the nominal. 5. Refraction of light in different media. When a light ray passes from a rarer medium to a denser medium, it bends towards the normal. Rarer medium. Denser medium. Fig. 6.4a. When a light ray passes from a denser medium to A rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. Denser medium. Rarer medium. Ng. 6.4 B. Even a light ray is incident normally at the boundary between two media, it does not change its direction and hence does not get refracted. Rarer medium. Denser medium. Pig. 6.4 C. Example. When you look perpendicularly through a clear glass window, the light from outside passes straight through without bending refraction. This is why objects appear in their true position without distortion when viewed normally through the glass. Twinkling of stars. Due to the motion of atmospheric air and changing air density and temperature, position and brightness of the star keep changing continuously. Thus, star appears to be twinkling. Fig. 6.5 Apparent position of a star. Why do stars twinkle? 1. Atmospheric refraction. Light from a star travels through different layers of Earth's atmosphere. These layers have varying temperatures and densities, which cause the refractive index to change continuously. As a result, the star's light bends, refracts multiple times before reaching our eyes. 2. Changing apparent position. Due to continuous refraction, the star appears to shift slightly in position. Sometimes, more light enters our eyes, star appears bright, and sometimes less light reaches us, star appears dim. This gives the effect of twinkling. 7. Mirage. A mirage is a naturally occurring optical phenomenon in which light rays bend to produce a displaced image of distant objects or the sky. Cool air. Denser. Warm air. Rarer. Hot surface. Fig. 6.6 Mirage. A mirage is an optical illusion caused by the refraction of light due to variations in air temperature. It usually occurs in deserts, highways, and hot regions where the ground heats up intensely. How does a mirage occur? 1. On a hot day, the surface of the ground, like sand or roads, gets heated up. 2. The air near the ground becomes much hotter than the air above it. 3. Light rays traveling from the sky towards the ground pass through these layers of air. 4. Due to the temperature difference, the refractive index of air changes, causing total internal reflection. 5. The light bends upwards, making it appear as if there is a pool of water on the ground reflecting the sky. Example of mirage in daily life. 1. Highways on hot days. On long roads, it often looks like there is water on the road, but when you reach closer, it disappears. 2. Desert mirages. Travelers in deserts may see water in the distance, but it is just a reflection of the sky. 3. Lakes in movies or stories, often shown in movies where people in deserts chase after mirages thinking it is water. Art. Dispersion of light. Definition. The process of separation of light into its component colors while passing through a medium is called the dispersion of light. Fig. 6.7 Dispersion of light. The red light has maximum wavelength i.e. close to 700 nm while violet light has smallest wavelength close to 400 nanometer. Cause of dispersion. When white light enters a prism, different colors of light bend, refract, by different amounts due to their different wavelengths. Violet light bends the most, and red light bends the least. The separation of colors is called dispersion. Example. A rainbow is a natural example of dispersion, where sunlight passes through raindrops and splits into 7 colors. The band of colors obtained after dispersion is called the spectrum of light, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. No. Partial and total interreflection. When light passes from one medium to another, it can be partially reflected and partially refracted at the boundary between the two media. The behavior of light depends on the angle of incidence and the refractive indices of the media. Reflection. When light enters a rarer medium from a denser medium, it gets partially reflected, i.e., part of light gets reflected and comes back into the denser medium as per laws of reflection. This is called partial reflection. The rest of light gets refracted and goes into the rarer medium. Total internal reflection. Total internal reflection is the phenomenon which occurs when a propagated wave strikes a medium boundary at an angle larger than a particular critical angle with respect to the normal to the surface. If the refractive index is lower on the other side of the boundary and the incident angle is greater than the critical angle, the wave cannot pass through and is entirely reflected. The critical angle is the angle of incidence above which the total internal reflection occurs. Refracted rays. Air. 90-degree medium to water. Total internal reflection. Partial reflection medium L. Light source. Fig. 6.8 partial and total internal reflection. Conditions for total internal reflection. 1. Light must travel from a denser medium to a rarer medium. Example. Glass to air, water to air, diamond to air, etc. 2. The angle of incidence must be greater than the critical angle C. The critical angle is the angle of incidence in the denser medium at which the angle of refraction in the rarer medium becomes 90 degree. If the incidence angle exceeds this critical angle, all the light is reflected back into the denser medium, leading to total internal reflection. Examples of total internal reflection. 1. Mirage in deserts. Due to hot air near the ground, light bends and totally reflects, creating an illusion of water. 2. Optical fibers. Used in communication systems. Light undergoes multiple total internal reflections inside the fiber, allowing data transmission. 3. Shining of diamonds. Diamonds have a very high refractive index, which causes total internal reflection, making them sparkle. Thus, rainbow formation. A rainbow is a natural phenomenon that occurs due A rainbow is a natural phenomenon that occurs due to the interaction of sunlight with raindrops in the atmosphere. Phenomenon of rainbow formation. Rainbow is a beautiful natural phenomenon. It is combined effect of a number of natural processes. 2. It is the combined effect of dispersion, refraction and total internal reflection of light. 3. It can be seen mainly after a rainfall. Small droplets of water act as small prisms. 4. When light rays from the sun enter these droplets, it gets refracted and dispersed. 5. Then there is internal reflection as shown in the figure, and after then once again the light gets refracted while coming out of the droplet. 6. All these three processes together produce the rainbow. Sunlight, water, droplet, R. Violet V. Internal reflection, red. Fig. 6.9 Rainbow production. Appearance of the rainbow. 1. A rainbow is always seen in the opposite direction of the sun, i.e., the observer must have the sun behind them. 2. The order of colors in a primary rainbow is red, outermost, to violet, innermost. 3. Sometimes, a secondary rainbow may appear, which is fainter and has the color sequence reversed, violet outermost and red innermost, due to double internal reflection inside the water droplets. Conditions required for rainbow formation. 1. Presence of sunlight and rain droplets in the atmosphere. 2. The sun should be low in the sky, usually in the morning or late afternoon. 3. The observer should be positioned with their back to the sun to see the rainbow. This beautiful phenomenon is an example of how light behaves when interacting with different media, demonstrating concepts of refraction, dispersion, and reflection. Key points for exam preparation. 1. Understand Snell's law and its mathematical representation. 2. Practice ray diagrams for refraction through glass slabs and lenses. 3. Remember the refractive indices of common materials like air 1.0003, water 1.33, glass 1.5 and diamond 2.42. 4. Be clear with concepts of optical fibers used, medical endoscopy and high-speed internet transmission. 5. Learn applications like optical fibers used, medical endoscopy and high-speed internet transmission. 6. Solve numerical problems on refractive index and refraction angles for better understanding. 7. Know the critical angle concept and how it leads to total internal reflection in diamonds and fiber optics. Q1. Complete the following statement by selecting the proper alternative from the given. 1. What is the reason for the twinkling of stars? A. Explosions occurring in stars from time to time. B. Absorption of light in the Earth's atmosphere. C. Motion of stars. D. Changing refractive index of the atmospheric gases. Correct option is D. Changing refractive index of the atmospheric gases. 2. We can see the sun even when it is little below the horizon because of A. Reflection of light, B. Refraction of light, C. Dispersion of light, D. Absorption of light. Correct option is B. Refraction of light. 3. Refractive index depends on the of light. A. Wavelength, B. Velocity, C. Both wavelength and velocity, D. None of above. Correct option is velocity. 4. The change in of light rays while going from one medium to another is called refraction. A. Velocity, B. Wavelength, C. Direction, D. Frequency. Correct option is C. Direction. 5. If the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3/2, what is the refractive index of air with respect to glass? A. 1/2, B. 3, C. 1/3, D. 2/3. Correct option is 2/3. Q2. State true or false. 1. Rainbow is the combined effect of dispersion, refraction, and tear of light. Answer true. 2. Red light has maximum wavelength. Answer true. 3. When a light ray passes from a rarer medium to a Denser medium, it bends away from the normal. Answer false. 4. Light has different velocities in different media. Answer true. Q3. Complete the analogy. 1. Maximum wavelength, red light, minimum wavelength, violet. 2. Spectrum, dispersion, twinkling of star refraction. 3. Least deviation, red, maximum deviation, violet. 4. Air 1.0003, water 1.33. 5. 1 and 2 V2 by V1 2 and 1 V1 by V2. Q4. Find the odd man out. 1. Blue, yellow, pink, orange. Answer is pink. 2. Twinkling star, mirage, rainbow, apparent. Position of star. Answer is rainbow. 3. Refraction, dispersion, refractive index, reflection. Answer is refractive index.